Hey guys, Chad's Fire Racing Heads. Been playing with this flow bench. I want to show you guys something. I made the decision. I had a Superflow 600 with performance trends since probably '02, and about a year ago I bought this Senez, and to be honest with you, both benches are okay. The reason I like this one better is because I spent a little extra money. I got the depression control, and it just makes life a lot easier when you're port mapping. And I truly feel that the flow bench is for a pitot tube, and I care more about my velocity numbers, so it just makes things a lot easier. But the bench came loaded with Audi, and I have one of Larry Cavanaugh's blue boxes here. I sent it off to Craig for a while, and he sent it back to me. And one of the things that I really like about the blue box is he has a screen on here to where you can use velocity and CFM with your pitot tube, and it gives you a mean or effective cross section. In other words, just because you have 3 inches, the head needs to be flowing what it needs to be flowing to utilize and have all of that 3 inches. So if the cylinder head's not flowing what it should, then even though you have 3 inches, you're not using all of that area. So that's the magic in a cylinder head. But what I'm going to do here is I got both boxes hooked up. I'm going to run a flow test with just a dart head here, and I'm going to capture the screen with the C&D, and then we're going to look at those numbers and we're going to put them next to what the Audi spits out. And I'm going to show you how, if the bench is calibrated, it doesn't matter what electronics are on it, that it's going to read the same or close to it, or a percentage, which 1%, pretty common. So let's go here. I'll do the test and then I'll show you. Okay, so here's the flow curve. Let's see if we can pull them next to each other here in a second. Okay, 2 with 1 I had. The way I do it is anything over 5 goes up, anything under 5 goes down. So we've got 127, 125, 185, 182, 231, 230, 266, 265, 284, 282, 288, 285, 270, 270. Pretty close. Now here's why I like Larry's. Let me show you this real quick. We got to start this up again. I want you to look at this number that I point to. That's how much of the area. I mean, it's a pretty big port. It's a 1207. That's how much of the area that's available the head's using. I will measure it out and I'll post it in the comments. Just wanted to take the time to show you it. If you own a flow bench, you got to do this. You got to take some time. You got to calibrate it. You got to trust what you're seeing. That's all I'm doing here. I'm trusting what I see. Thanks, guys. Appreciate each and every one of you. Talk to you soon.